Welcome back to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this third video of the MAUI series, we explore MVVM, the core pattern behind clean architecture, and how data binding connects your UI to logic. MVVM stands for Model View Model. It helps you write clean, testable code by separating your UI from business logic and data access. MVVM is not just a pattern, it is a strategy for long-term project success. Your UI becomes smarter and cleaner. Here is a simple view model. It exposes a count property and a command that increases the count. Notice the use of iNotify property changed. You bind your view model to the page using the binding context property. This makes the data accessible to the XML. The label displays the bound count value and the button is bound to the increment command. No code behind needed. To simplify property and command handling, MAUI supports Community Toolkit.mvvm. It reduces boilerplate and improves productivity. This version uses attributes. The toolkit auto-generates all iNotify property changed logic and command bindings. You can install the toolkit via NuGet. Once added, your view model code becomes smaller, cleaner, and modern. Let us look at a real demo. The Count Tracker app. It uses all the MVVM concept we discussed: binding, observable properties, and commands. In production apps, MVVM is used in login flows, dashboards, data entry forms, and API integration. It scales very well. To summarize, MVVM is your foundation. It keeps your app scalable, testable, and fast. Use the toolkit to avoid boilerplate. In the next video, we will build UI list using collection view and bind collections to dynamic layouts. Thanks for joining. Like, comment, and subscribe for more advanced .NET MAUI content.